Oatmeal and chia seeds for weight loss. Dietitians recommend adding this fat-blasting ingredient to your oatmeal every morning. Great, it's for weight loss. We are aware that there is no single magical food that causes more weight loss. However, certain foods and nutrients are more likely to aid in weight loss than others. Eating a balanced breakfast gets your day started on the right foot. When you're trying to lose weight, a well-balanced breakfast can help you feel more full and satisfied throughout the day, as well as reduce cravings. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to improve metabolic health. Many Americans are deficient in omega-3 fatty acids and consume far too much omega-6 fatty acids. As a result, their 6-to-3 ratio is skewed, contributing to less optimal health. Chia seeds may help you achieve a 6-to-3 ratio. Aside from its health benefits, the fat in chia seeds can improve satisfaction and keep you feeling fuller for longer. What happens to your body when you consume chia seeds? We know that fiber-rich diets are strongly linked to long-term weight loss. Chia seeds contain 10 grams of fiber per 2 tablespoons. These powerful seeds expand in liquid, increasing their volume and improving your feelings of fullness. Overnight oats can be made in the fridge, and the chia seeds will absorb the moisture overnight. The consistency is perfect, and you have a quick breakfast ready to go in the morning. Here are 7 ways these tiny yet mighty seeds can help you lose weight. 1. Chia seeds contain a lot of fiber, which keeps you full. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber, with 11 grams in a 1-ounce serving. While the high fiber content promotes healthy digestion, it also absorbs a significant amount of water, promoting early satiety and, as a result, a reduction in calorie consumption when honored. 2. Chia seeds contain few calories. More weight loss equals fewer calories. Considering how low-calorie and nutrient-dense these tiny guys are, eating chia seeds for weight loss should be a no-brainer. The best thing about chia seeds is that they are low in calories but high in nutritional value. Chia seeds have 69 calories, 2 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fat per tablespoon. 3. They're loaded with protein. Chia seeds also contain 4 grams of protein per 1-ounce serving, which aids in appetite suppression, lowers levels of ghrelin, a hunger hormone, and promotes healthy blood sugar levels and weight loss. Chia seeds may help with weight loss by improving insulin sensitivity. What a testament to how beneficial these tiny seeds are to our health. They may even improve glucose metabolism. According to a review of 17 studies, consuming chia seeds may improve glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Chia seeds are high in healthy fats and are extremely beneficial to your health. Healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids, account for nearly 80% of their calories. Several studies, each with varying amounts of omega-3 fatty acids in the diet, show that the addition of omega-3 fatty acids increases metabolic rate. While more research is needed, this supports the idea that including omega-3 rich foods in one's diet not only increases satiety but also has a positive effect on metabolism, assisting in weight loss. 6. They may reduce cravings for junk food. Higher fiber intake, from chia seeds, for example, can promote more stable blood sugar levels, which may reduce cravings. Blood sugar spikes and crashes caused by eating high-sugar, low-fiber foods can occasionally trigger sugar cravings, thwarting weight loss efforts. We all know how awful we feel after a tub of ice cream, and it's nothing like how we feel after a satisfying cup of chia pudding. 7. They're your breakfast best friend. According to research, skipping breakfast may cause weight gain, so we'll pass on that one. Instead, start your day with a healthy, balanced breakfast and you'll be on your way to weight loss success. Chia seeds are a nutritious addition to breakfast when combined with oatmeal or blended into a smoothie. Conclusion. According to one small study, eating chia seeds along with a calorie-restricted diet helped overweight people with type 2 diabetes lose 3.5 pounds more than those who did not eat chia seeds. When compared to the control group, the chia group had significantly smaller waist circumferences after the intervention. More research is needed to investigate the effects of chia seeds on weight loss, but this study suggests that when combined with a healthy diet, chia seeds may aid in weight loss. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. See you when I see you.